Hello, traders, and welcome to the market opening preview, May 12th, 2015, on a Tuesday. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue, sunny skies, white sandy beaches. Absolutely gorgeous outside and quite warm. Looks like it's going to be a day at the pool. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Please come visit us at fxclearing.com for your trading solutions. Traders, if you would, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilda. I'm your moderator through the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, on Friday, we have the Friday wrap-up, which we do after the New York close, where we review about 16 daily charts. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006. In 2007, I retired from a wonderful 27-year career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, 9 days later, came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my career. Well, traders, I'm still in Thailand and absolutely loving it. I trade the Forex market every single trading day, looking for probabilities and opportunities to enter trades to hopefully take a win. No, we do not win every trade, traders. I do lose trades. That's just part of the ball game. All right. It's a little bit about me. Let's get the legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Most importantly, traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Let's talk about some news and commentary. Let's see how the markets closed yesterday. The US 30 closed negative 0.47%. The S&P 500 closed negative 0.51%. And the NASDAQ closed negative 0.20%, with the Russell 2000 only one in the green at 0.19%. Let's head on over to the Eurozone, where the DAX closed negative 0.31%. The FTSE 100 closed negative 0.24%, and the CAC 40 closed negative 1.23%. The Eurostock 50 closed at negative 0.69%. Traders, let's move on over to Asia and see what's going on with these currencies that are currently trading. The Nikkei 225 is currently negative 0.52%. The S&P ASX 200 out of Australia is currently positive at 0.30%. The Shanghai is positive at 0.20%. And the Hang Seng is in the red at negative 0.40%, with the Kospi also in the red at 0.15%. Gives you an idea what happened at the end of the close of the New York and London sessions, and that was currently the Asia sessions that are currently trading at this time. Let's take a look at the calendar, see what we have going on today. We have some home loans coming out in the Asia session. As I do this recording, those numbers probably have already come out. In the London session, we have manufacturing production month on month. Keep an eye on that. Also, in the Aussie, in the London session, we have the annual budget release, and that looks as a high-impact news event. All day during the Eurozone, we have the ECOFIN meetings, and later in London, well, really, it's in the New York session, we have the NIESR GDP estimate. And in the U.S., we have the JOLTS job openings. And also in the U.S., very late, almost noon New York time, we have FOMC Williams speaking. So quite interesting. For those of you who are in the East and the U.S., on either side, West Coast to East Coast, you have some high-impact New Zealand data for tomorrow, 24 hours from now, and that comes out at 5 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. My commentary for today was, yesterday was really, and I did not pick up on it. I have to tell you, I didn't take any pips yesterday, but as I was doing my newsletter forecast this morning and looking at charts, a lot of our trades worked yesterday that we did, um, and brought us some really nice pips. So hopefully today we'll get some nice price action. I don't think this data is going to impact our trading too much, except for that manufacturing production month on month out of the Great British Pound. All right, let's head on over to our 60-minute charts. And as usual, let's head over to the euro dollar. The euro dollar has just been working absolutely wonderful. I mean, it's just stair-stepping away. Yesterday, it sort of took a break. It did hit our target area and then just went sideways. It's just hanging out at that 200 exponential moving average. Folks, if we don't get the pullback, we want to pull back to that 23.6, which the euro is really good about giving pullbacks. So we hope to get to that 1.1175 and sell it. So you say, well, William, what if it breaks the fib and just heads short? If you get a bearish engulfing candle, take the trade down to 1.1079. Plenty of pips, plenty of room. And if you look left of the chart, traders, we have a nice wide open space. This looks like a great trade if it works out. We'll be keeping an eye on this one today. All right, let's move over to the pound. The pound also absolutely bullish. I predicted that 3 weeks ago that this was a change of trend. It has worked for the last, 4 trading days, and it worked beautifully yesterday. A lot of pips was made yesterday, went over our target area, and we're doing the same thing today. We're just fibbing it, looking for that pullback to the 61.8 at 1.5546. And we'll take it up to the 161.8 Fibonacci level at 1.5700. That would be fine. Maybe even 5690, somewhere in there, because you know there's orders up there. Unfortunately, it's not just me and you looking at this chart. So I want to get out a little bit early and avoid getting that pullback, because we're going to get it, because there are a lot of pending orders up there. Let's take a look at the Aussie. Aussie yesterday was, you can see the period separators on the chart. Actually did no price action at all. This is a new chart, and I did put new lines on it. It doesn't look like it, but it is a new chart. And we just want to close below this trend line. We'd like to enter at 0.7869, and we want to take it short. Not a lot I can say about the Aussie dollar. It's bearish. It's in a nasty range on this hourly chart, and we just want to sell this. And that's basically about it. And we know that it responds to data very well, and that's okay. So we'll see, and hopefully we'll get it done. Take a look at the Euro Aussie, one of my favorites. Actually, it did work yesterday. Came down a little bit. I have a demo trade on, as you can see, a sell trade. But I really want this to break this trend line, and I want this to really get down to that 40.15 area, that 1.4015 area. But we're looking for an entry about 1.4074, 40.80, somewhere in there, and we could take this short as soon as it breaks that trend line with a close. And I would look for the retest on this one, because you don't want it coming back up to that 200 exponential moving average. This pair loves hanging out at the 200 exponential moving average. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Yen, one of my favorites as usual. Not a lot to say here. It's bearish. It did give us an up move yesterday, came back down in New York. Actually, it went up in London, and London lunch decided to come back down, hit the 200, popped back up again. I did not trade this, and all I'm looking for is a break of that 200 exponential moving average, and we will take this short if we can get a 133.40 price action. And, the Euro Yen, you're going to get a pullback. It's a 50-50 if we're going to get a pullback. But if we get a nice engulfing bearish candle, I'm going to short this. Why? Look left of the chart. Wide open space. Unbelievable. Let's take a pair that's really shocked us this week, and that is the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar has done absolutely wonderful. Yesterday worked out great. Look at that trade yesterday from the period separators. Hit our target area and more. Worked out absolutely beautiful. So we just want to pull back to the 23.6, and that's at 0.7363, and we will take this short. If it breaks this support that it's currently at 73.30, don't worry about it. If you get an engulfing bearish candle, take the short trade. There is nothing left of the chart to get in your way, and put your stop just above the bottom of that fib, and that's it. And just take it. If we don't get the pullback, but this pair is really good about giving a pullback, so there's a good chance prior to the London Open we will get some sort of a pullback. It might not go all the way back up to the 23.6, but I think we will get some sort of a pullback. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this Tuesday, May 12th, 2015. I wish you all a great trading day. Grab those profits and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders, have a great trading day, and we will catch you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care, traders, and bye-bye.